We are talking about incorporated businesses, and a question I'm often asked is, it's my corporate year end, what do I do? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to take at your corporate year end. So what to do on your year-end date? Congratulations! Your corporation just had its birthday. Although a time of cake and gifts in our personal lives, corporate year-ends also come with a to-do list. Step number 1, celebrate. We often bypass important milestones, and your corporate year-end is one of them. Being a small business owner is hard, really hard. Up to 80% of businesses will fail over time. Recognize your corporate year-end for the success that it is and celebrate your perseverance and hard work. Step number 2, reflect. Your corporate year-end is a great time to pause, even just momentarily, and consider how your business is doing. Are there things you want to change or improve? What isn't working? What is working? I personally do this when I review my bookkeeping monthly. If you haven't paused in a while, consider giving your business some extra love today. Step number 3, gather a few key records. If you only do one step, tackle this one. Your year-end date is an important time to gather the information your accountant will need. So what information should you gather? Number 1, count any cash or till floats you have and write down the amounts. Number 2, write down the amounts of any cash deposits or checks you've been meaning to bring to the bank but haven't yet deposited. Number 3, do an inventory count. What you're going to want to record is the description, the purchase cost, and the total number of items on hand. Ideally, keep these in an electronic format like Excel for easy totaling. What to do in the month after your year end? In the month after your year end, you'll want to begin gathering documentation. Being proactive will mean better accounting services, like a faster year end and fewer inquiry emails, along with less risk of late filing. New business owners are often shocked by how long a corporate year end can take, often 4 to 5 weeks. A big part of this is because of the amount of information that CPAs need. This process is more involved than a personal tax return, comes with documentation requirements from the Canada Revenue Agency and Chartered Professional Accountant Institute. These can drag out the process if the information isn't provided up front. So what should you gather? Number 1, get your bookkeeping done right up until your year-end date. I do my bookkeeping monthly, so I'm ready to get my corporate return underway ASAP. Waiting until after your year end to do your bookkeeping can mean significant delays and late filing penalties. Number 2, gather copies of bank, credit card, and line of credit statements that cross over your year-end date. You want PDFs that show your business name. No Excel downloads or screenshots, please. Number 3, obtain loan statements for your fiscal year, showing interest paid and the outstanding balance at your year-end date. I ask my banker for this statement, and it can take a few weeks to process, so don't delay. Number 4, does your corporation hold investments? Then gather your monthly statements for the entire fiscal year. Number 5, don't forget about sales tax and WorkSafe. You'll want to gather statements that cross your year-end date. Number 6, confirm your accounts receivable and accounts payable reports. This step is probably the most important. Review the reports in your bookkeeping software or with your bookkeeper that show the money you owe and who owes you money at your year-end date. Are there any bad debts that should be written off or expenses you've already paid? Has income been duplicated? This is the number 1 spot where you can catch bookkeeping errors. Many clients don't review the receivables and payables reports. If their accountants don't catch the error, this can mean thousands of extra dollars in unnecessary taxes. Number 7, gather a few key receipts. Asset and equipment purchases costing more than $500 have special tax treatment and gathering the receipts ensures they'll be properly taken care of. Number 8. What about other deductions? Absolutely. Your personal cell phone bills, home office expenses, and mileage logbooks should all be gathered. Be sure to check out our Excel template and motor vehicle videos to get the best deductions possible. I'll admit the above list is quite extensive and can be a pain in your butt to gather. I get it. You are busy, so let me highlight the benefits. Gathering this information ahead means tons of saved time. It can take your year-end from a 2-month process to a 2-week process. It can mean 1 or 2 inquiry emails rather than 6 or 8. Being proactive can save you time, reduce your accounting fees, reduce your stress, frustration, and improve the quality of your year-end, all while helping to protect against audits. Watch your deadlines. Deadlines can easily sneak up on busy small business owners, causing late filing penalties from the CRA. If a corporation's shareholders are residents of Canada, then the CRA gives privately owned businesses 3 months to pay their corporate income taxes and 6 months to file their returns. On top of these deadlines are for T4 or T5 statements, which are always at the end of February. To meet your filing obligations and ensure great tax planning, I would recommend bringing your documents to your accountant no later than 1 to 2 months after your year-end date. How to get your year-end started. After gathering the previous items, you'll need to do a few last things to get your year-end underway. Number 1. Provide your documentation. All the information you've gathered, plus your bookkeeping, will need to be sent to your accountant. Number 2. Make sure your engagement letter is signed. Your accountant cannot proceed with any work until the signed contracts are received, so don't procrastinate. Number 3. Check if your accountant requires anything further to get started. Update forms, questionnaires, and other documentation can be needed before work begins. Your corporation's birthday is an important time to celebrate, reflect, and begin your administrative duties. Year-ends are a lot of work, especially for overwhelmed business owners. Your accountant will do their best, but remember, it is your ultimate responsibility as the business owner to ensure the information is provided, the boxes are ticked, and that your return gets filed on time. Now, to make your job easier, we have corporate year-end checklists and some awesome Excel templates on our website. Be sure to check those out. Being proactive can save you time, reduce your accounting fees, and reduce the risk of late filing. I hope this video has helped you be well prepared for your corporate year-end and the administrative duties that come along with it. That's all I have for today. Bye for now.